Hi, my name's Josh and I won the Traineeship of the Year award. I've always wanted to join the RAF from a young age, and my fitness wasn't that great before looking into traineeships, but I looked into it and I chose North Wales Training, and it definitely got my military knowledge and fitness up a lot. The support I got through North Wales Training uh, was a lot of fitness based, and the staff there were really supportive. They helped everyone, no matter where your standards were for your knowledge or your fitness or anything. They just helped everyone and treated everyone as equals. We learned all about military knowledge, from stuff in the field to basic stuff, even radios and first aid, which is quite interesting. I also got a few qualifications like first aid at work and problem solving, which is definitely good. Definitely got to say the fitness. I just loved it. It was fitness every day, which was difficult, but at the same time, it was definitely rewarding. Like I saw progress straight away. About 45 minutes to an hour and a half every day. Sometimes we go for long runs. Sometimes we do circuits. And like every week or so, we did a fitness assessment just to see where we were. So it was a 2k or a 1.5 mile run, just to like see where our levels are. And every time I saw improvement. I've recommended to a few of my mates, like anyone who needs, well, anyone who wants to get in the military, I'd 100% recommend. Even like the police force or anything, I just recommend it to them straight away. Well, I'm currently in phase 2 training at Cosford, and after my training, which is going to finish about the 20th of September, I want to move on to my first posting.